Hey Rachel, how can you identify a dogwood?
I don't know.
By its bark.
Oh.
That might be a cheesy dad joke, but it is true. I'm standing underneath one of the beautiful flowering dogwoods here on Spring Island, and you can in fact identify these trees by their bark. If you look, they have this beautiful, scaly, almost alligator skin-like bark, and this is really distinct amongst all of the trees, especially hardwoods that we have. So even if dogwoods aren't flowering or have leafed out, you can always identify them by their bark. Also, you can identify them by their leaves. So if we look at a dogwood leaf, it's got these beautiful pinnate veins. But one of the cool things about them is if we were to rip them apart very gently, they have little strings between the ripped parts of the leaves. And those strings are very unique to the dogwood tree itself. Now, right now, it's easy to identify dogwood because of their flowers. But their flowers actually have something really unique about them. And that is that what we consider to be the flower, what we might think of as the flower, these petals here, are actually leaves. And they are specialized leaves called bracts. And they're just there to attract pollinators. There are other plants you're probably familiar with that also have bracts, like poinsettias. We buy poinsettias in the winter time for their beautiful red leaves, not flowers. The flowers on the dogwood and the poinsettia are actually in the center of the flower. They're teeny tiny and they produce nectar, which is great for butterflies and some very specialized bees. If your grandkids are visiting for spring break, make sure you get them out to show them how to identify the dogwood and share that knowledge with them. And also feel free to use my joke.